Hey everyone, it's MC Easy again, and BunnyHop2001 on today. In this video we're doing a tutorial on enchanting items with /give, so you can put it in command blocks and get it that way. So I've just shown you the Unbreaking 3 on a pickaxe here, and you can see that's the maximum one. Like all these books, they have a maximum enchantment, and you can get that from the enchantment tables. But we're going to do it with commands so you can get even higher levels. Now, this is the basic command. It's /give, and then you put your username in, and you can have any item you want, so you can enchant sticks, diamonds, anything. And now after you've put how many you want to put 0 as the type, otherwise it won't work. I think it comes up with an error that says that the brackets that you've entered isn't a number. So here's enchanted, you write in the tags, which goes in curly brackets, you write ench, and then you put a square bracket so you can include multiple tags, and then I've shown you that. So here I've done in sharpness level 3000, which is a lot. So I'll show you in these command blocks. There's /give at p, diamond_sword 1 0, and then we write ench colon square brackets, and then use the curly brackets to put in the tags. So we have the ID and all the numbers for different enchantments are on our blog. Then you have the level. So this is level 3 sharpness, just here. And then the next one, I'm going to show you level 10 sharpness. Now 1 to 10, they show up as Roman numerals, but above that it shows is something like enchantment.level and then the number. So here's sharpness X. But this next one here, I've put the level right here is 1000. So when I press go on here, it comes up as enchantment.level 1000. Okay. Next I'm going to go through enchanting items. So you know how to /give the item, which is first off, it's /give and then the item, and you don't actually have to put 1 or the 0 at the end. By default it'll do 1 and have the type as 0, but this next one we're going to name it. So the tag we need for that is display, so you put display and then you can do name, so you write name and then the little speech marks, whatever they are, and then you put the name in, and there you go. And the next one, I don't know if you've seen it on servers, like they have a law or something written underneath it, or after you've written in the name bracket still, you do law and then you use the square brackets so you can include multiple lines of it. And to do multiple lines you do the speech marks, then a comma, and then another set of speech marks, as you can see right there. Alright, so when I take this you can see it says very sharp, very pointy, yeah, and it's in 2 lines. Right, this next one I'll show you how to enchant it, and it actually has those effects. So here we've got level 10 and the ID 16, that's sharpness, and we've got 19, which is knockback, level 1. So after you've done the law, all you have to do is close off the name brackets, and then you put in another tag, so in the same place as display, you put a comma between them to separate them, and you've got enchantments. So here it is, and it has sharpness 10 and knockback 1. I'll show you one of pig, if I can get the spawn egg. Here you go. It should kill it pretty much in 1 hit, I don't know about 2. There you go. It does have knockback on, so on more powerful things you should see it go back, but it has sharpness 10 on, which kills a lot of normal mobs straight away. Alright, next we're going to show you chests using block data, and I'll show you I'll do a separate video on chests, but this is showing you how to put enchanted items in. But you have chest and 1 0 as usual, and the tag is block entity tag, and you put a capital at the side of each word and no spaces at all. And then you want to use the square brackets again after items, so we're putting the items in so you can include multiple things in the chest. And we've got a diamond, so you have to do the ID of the item, and in 1.8 you can just do the name of it. And we've got count, so how many you want, and the slot. Now the slot goes from, instead of 1 to 27, it's 0 to 26. So I've done 38 diamonds in the very first slot and 5 logs in the very last one. So I should come up here. There you go. And yeah, it appears in the player's inventory, and then when they place it, it's got those items in. The next one I'm going to show you with an enchanted item in. So I've changed the diamond to a diamond sword, and it's got the name Excalibur, and there are 38 of them. You can actually stack things like swords in these chests, but like when you separate them, yeah, I'll show you that after. So we've got the slot, the count, and then another tag which is tag, and we've put the display in that I showed you in the other one, and then lore, and then the enchantment. So it's like the other one, you just put that in after the tag, and there you go. When I press that, it should give me 38 diamond swords. There you go. And yeah, when I separate them, you can see like they don't stack, so I can't restack them. So when I chuck them back in, they don't stack on the first one, and when I pick them up, they'll all be separated. So I'll just clear my inventory. Alright, next I'm going to show you naming the chest. So like if you want it to be a starter kit, you might want to name the chest starter kit. And I've also set this command block to have 128 logs, so I'll show you how that isn't possible. So I've just, in the thing with the block entity tag, I've just put a comma before it, and yeah. Alright, so when I place this, is called starter kit. When I open it, it will say starter kit at the top. It's got the sword as usual and 128 oak logs. So I can't do anything with them, and yeah, because it's got 128 there. When I break the chest or try to take them out, they disappear. So I've changed that to 64 and see that works. So when I break the chest, it'll only drop 1 stack of logs, because the other one like doesn't exist because it's too high a number. Now the last one, I've done too much of everything, so 128 diamonds and 128 logs, and when I break it, nothing comes out. So make sure you don't do any more than 64 of anything, but you can stack tools, so don't do that, it's not a good idea. Alright, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and comment any ideas for more videos in the comments. So thank you.